Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas. Lalo po na magtatago si Bato de la Rosa. Bakit niya Mr. Maravillas? Nakahinga na sana mga kababayan si Bato de la Rosa. Kasi di ba kahapon biglang lumabas yung balita na ang sabi si Bato de la Rosa may lumabas ng ICC warrant in relation po sa crimes against humanity. Pero matagal na pinag-usapan itong ICC warrant. Kaya nga nagtatago na ng matagal. 6 months na. November pa nagtatago si Bato. Ngayon, umugong kahapon na may talagang aktual ICC warrant na nasa kamay na ng Interpol. Ito yung unang breaking news. Senator Bato pinapa-aresto na matapos mag-issue ng arrest warrant ang ICC. But afterwards, biglang nagpalabas mga kababayan ng statement yung ICC. Wala pa ba na niya? Ayan o. ICC, no public arrest warrants have been issued in relation to the situation in the Philippines. Tapos nag-react din yung Palasyo Malacanang. Sabi po ng Palasyo Malacanang, hindi nila dinideny o kino-confirm ang reported arrest warrant against Senator Bato de la Rosa. Ngayon, nagpalabas na ng statement kapon yung PDP Laban. Sabi ng PDP Laban, the Partido Demokratiko Pilipino views with great alarm the reports it has received regarding a warrant of arrest from the International Criminal Court for one of its ranking members, incumbent Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. If this be true, then it is condemnable as another instance of severe derogation of our sovereignty and independence as a nation. The continued kowtowing by the Marcos administration to the ICC, notwithstanding our country's withdrawal from the Rome Statute, insofar as such slavish subservience serves Marcos' political agenda, is most execrable. Very bad anya. Very bad. Di nag-react po yung ICC. Wala man anya. Wala man pa niya na warrant of arrest. Biglang nagpa-press-con mga kababayan kani-kanina lang. Yung DILG kasama yung CIDG nang sabi bukas daw ise-serve ng subpena ang nagtatago na si Senador Bato de la Rosa, ise-serve ng CIDG kasi yung CIDG mga kababayan through its Director General may power siya to issue subpena. At pag hindi ka nag-appear sa subpena ng PNP CIDG, kakasuhan ka ng indirect contempt sa korte. Yan ang power under the law ng PNP CIDG. May power sila to issue subpena parang korte. Yan ngayon ang kalagayan ni Bato de la Rosa. Sabi dito, Bato de la Rosa to be served CIDG subpena bukas Monday, sabi po ni Jumbi Crimolia. Make my day, Mr. Trillanes. Go ahead. Ay nako. Make my day, Mr. Trillanes. Go ahead. Ngak-ngak ka ng ngak-ngak. O ito na po mga kababayan. So kahit yung ICC nagsabi na wala pa man, nilalabas sila mga kababayan na warrant of arrest laban kay Bato de la Rosa, hahantingin siya ng PNP CIDG kasi may inisyu na subpena. Kailangan niyang mag-appear personal. Yan ang sabi ni DILG Secretary Remulla. Pag hindi, babantayan na daw sa mga ports. Magiging wanted pa rin siya. Bakit anya Mr. Maravillas ginagawa? Alam nyo na. Kung bakit ito ginagawa. laban sa kanya. May kuwan po problema, may reklamo sa kanya noon pa in relation sa EJK. Yun ang paliwanag ng DILG. May relasyon pa doon sa investigation ng Quadcom. Matagal na niya yun, Mr. Maravillas. Kahit na matagal. Isidi ko nga, mga kababayan, panahon pa ng siya alkalde, na-imbestiga ng ICC. At ngayon, na-deliver na po sa ICC. Nung mayor pa siya, kasama doon sa inimbestiga, mga kababayan, sa crime against humanity, extrajudicial killings. Parehas lang po yan, mga kababayan. Kaya lalong magtatago si Bato. O ito ang balita. Senator Bato de la Rosa is set to be subpoenaed by the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group on Monday, sabi po ni Rimulya, requiring him to personally appear before the CIDG office as part of an ongoing investigation. Rimulya emphasized that the order is not an arrest warrant but is subpoena following reports that De La Rosa is facing a pending arrest warrant from the ICC. He was the tip of the spear in the AJK drive. So, we will start with him and investigate down further, sabi po ni Rimulya. Tapos, hindi kaya niya, Mr. Maravillas, may relasyon yan sa mga balibalita na baka magkudita sa Senado para palitan si... Kaya para hindi lumitaw si Bato de la Rosa. May mga balibalita kasi magko-convene yung Senado, mga kababayan, as an impeachment court. Yan kulang pa daw kasi para magtagumpay yung kudita sa Senado. Kulang pa para Cayetano Blacks rumored plot to oust Tito Soto flounders over Bato's absence. Villar's dilemma. Baka, mga kababayan, may relasyon dito para maintakutan si Bato lalo. Kasi baka gusto nang lumitaw sana. Kuhan ka man lang po ito, mga wild analysis, mga kababayan. Pero, hindi malayo. Kasi yung ICC, mga kababayan, nag-deny, wala pa man na niya. Or baka talaga purposely, kasi nag-leak yung balita na sabi may warrant of arrest na laban kay Bato de la Rosa. So, di ba, una, lilitaw na sana. Nag-file na ng bill, 2 bill si Bato de la Rosa. At parang gusto nang bumalik. Kasi, matagal na siyang nagtatago, pero wala pa man pala ICC warrant. O ngayon, baka talaga mayroon na. Kasi yung Palasyo Malacanang, hindi kinokonfirma pero hindi man dinideny. Ngayon, dahil nag-leak, siyempre mahirapan ng paghanap, may serve kay Bato de la Rosa yung ICC warrant. Kaya dininay ng ICC. Wala pa man na niya para lumabas na si Bato. Ngayon, biglang pinapasumpe na siya. Obligado siyang mag-appear. Pag hindi, magiging wanted pa rin siya. Hindi dahil sa ICC, dahil mga kababayan sa sumpena ng DILG, kasi may relasyon pa rin sa kanyang EJK. Nagets na ninyo? Mga kababayan, matindihan niya, Mr. Maravillas. Ito yung sinasabi natin, consequences ng mga mali niyang ginawa. Mga abuses during the past administration. Na noon, powerful sila, walang maglakas loob na humabol. Ngayon, iba na ang sitwasyon, mga kababayan. Ngayon, pakinggan natin yung press con ng DILG with PNP CIDG Director at saka si PNP Director General Melencio Nartates. Ayan yung naging press con kanina. Ito po, si DILG Secretary Rimulya.
In conclusion, the CIDG will issue a subpoena tomorrow to General De La Rosa to appear personally before the CIDG office here. in aid of investigation of the previous crimes. I repeat, this is not an arrest warrant but a subpoena for the senator and former chief of police, former chief of the PNP. Finally,
Ito si General Nartates, Melencio Nartates.
Nung nakaraan, we have a Quadcom report with regards to EGK and other related incident. That would be the very basis and other reports coming from various unit that we may pursue. So, the Philippine National Police through the CID,
May relasyon pa sa Quadcom investigation last year. Biglang nabuhay, mga kababayan, yung Quadcom investigation.
giving summons to identified personalities dun sa mga reports na yun. So that will be the effort of the Philippine National Police. To give further basis, of course, we have the IDM here, we have our CIDG, and we have our legal. I say again, we'll be conducting investigation in pursuit of dun sa mga reports na yun, especially the report of the Quadcom last year or 2 years ago. So, I'm directing agencies, ay mga units natin ng involved. The whole of the Philippine National Police will be involved.
The legal service will be of support to the CID in regard to the conduct of continuing investigation as
Kamina.
said a while ago by our Chief PNP. And this investigation will be a fair one because we will be basing on pieces of evidence. That's on the part of the legal service. Thank you, sir.
finally, in conclusion, the CIDG will issue a subpoena tomorrow to General De La Rosa to appear personally before the CIDG office here in aid of investigation of the previous crimes. I repeat, this is not an arrest warrant but a subpoena for the senator and former chief of police, former chief of the PNP. Locate if a possible evasive maneuver will be General Hansel Marantan and
May naka-assign na, tutugi sa kanya.
Are there any questions?
Just a reminder, everyone.
Senator De La Rosa to appear before the investigation. Ano pong gagawin po ng PNP?
We will wait for the subpoena to be issued and then we will answer the questions afterwards. Let's wait for the subpoena first and let's wait for it to be served to him personally.
Paliwanag nga ho kung ano yung pinakadahilan kung bakit ho siya ipapatawag, although nagkaroon na ho dati ng Quadcom hearing.
Well, he has never been personally investigated. This was triggered again by the rumors of the, and we have now taken it upon ourselves to continue the investigation.
Hindi pa niya siya naimbestigahan talaga personally. Kaya ngayon
We are not a
gagawin.
member of the ICC. We are not working with the ICC. This is a purely internal matter that we are doing.
Christian Manyo of DCW.
Wala niya itong relasyon sa ICC investigation.
Leia Ilaga.
Internal matter niya ito. Purely internal matter niya ito. So wala nang rason, mga kababayan, si Bato de la Rosa, kasi ang dinarason nila, kaya nagtatago, never daw siyang susurrender sa foreign power. O ngayon, hindi na siya foreign power, kundi local power. Hindi siya magko-cooperate. Wala na siyang rason ngayon not to cooperate sa investigation kasi local investigator na po ang magsasagawa. Pero same pa rin po, EJK. Yan kasi daldal ng daldal. Si Robin Padilla at saka si Bato de la Rosa kung bakit hindi nagko-cooperate kasi never daw sila susurrender sa foreign power. Pero kung local niya, we will submit niya to the authorities. para maimbestiga. Di ba yun ang kanila mga kababayan na linyahan ng depensa? Argumento? O ngayon, may cure na sa argumento nila. Local authorities na ang mag-iimbestiga, yung CIDG, pero same case, AJK. So, kailangan niya mag-cooperate. Baga niya, Mr. Maravillas, pag halimbawa may investigation yung local authorities, lumitaw si Bato de la Rosa para mag-cooperate. Pagkatapos, yun pala, hawak na yung ICC warrant. Malamang. Malamang ganun, mga kababayan. Ito,
Senator De La Rosa, sino pa po yung mga kasama na iimbestigahan?
We will announce that. He will be the first one, but the ones listed in the...
baka sunod si Bato na imbestigahan.
Over 100 cases, we will issue succeeding
Si Bato, si Bongo.
subpoenas in the coming days.
Sir, based on your info, nandito pa ba si Senator De La
Yes,
Rosa?
Mr. Info is in the Davao region and Region 11.
Nasa Davao pa niya, Region 11 si Bato, nagtatago.
Thank you, sir.
Maki Pulido of GMA. Okay. Third Ann Malonzo of Sunstar. Sir, good morning. Sir, parang medyo matagal na ata yung sa Quadcom, matagal na naging
Okay.
investigation. Why just now?
Why just now niya?
It is a renewed interest because of all the rumors that were sparking. I would like to make it clear that there is a complete disassociation between the ICC and the Philippines. We are not a member. However, in light of this recent conversations and rumors going around, just to set things clear, we decided to do it the proper way, to investigate in the proper way, and to debunk all the rumors that have been circulating.
Sir, kasi yung kay former President Duterte, sinasabi din noon, walang arrest warrant, pero pagdating niya, inaresto, meron pala. Wala po bang ganong...
Just to be clear, when I was asked if there was an arrest warrant, I had not seen one. The arrest warrant arrived at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. on, that was a Tuesday. If I'm not mistaken, that was 3 a.m. on a Tuesday, and it is implemented 9 a.m. on the same day. Okay. So, just to be clear, okay, I have no personal knowledge of an arrest warrant. We are merely investigating the case.
Sir, sorry. Isa na lang po. Sir, hindi ba para yung magiging result ng investigation nyo ay ipapadala sa ICC?
We are not a part of the ICC.
Dave Abuel of TV5.
SILG. Dave Abuel po ng TV5. Sir,
Medyo mahina lang.
may communication na po ba from Senator Bato kung a-attend talaga
Wala.
siya?
Bukas pa lang naman i-issue it. So, I guess if he is watching TV, this is the first time he will hear it also. But the subpoena will be issued tomorrow.
Sir, without preempting yung magiging process, ano po ba itatanong sa kanya specifically?
Well, we will wait for it's all related to the 100 plus complaints of EJK that occurred during his
100 plus
term as
complaints sa
City
EJK.
Director and Regional Director of Davao.
Sir, how do we assure the public na magiging fair yung pag-treat kay Senator, given nga na naging Chief PNP siya at saka...
Well, we will treat him with all the respect that he deserves. He's a senator, a former chief of the PNP.
Make
former
my day.
director of the Bucor.
Mr. Trillanes.
And I assure you, there will be no EJK.
Walang EJK niya dito. Buhay siya.
There will be no handcuffs. It is merely a subpoena for investigation, not an arrest warrant.
Joan Manalo of Billionario. Michael Goyagoy of DZXL.
Sir, wala ho bang communication ng DILG with the Interpol kung with regards sa ICC na sinasabi na baka mayroong inilabas na red notice, sinasabi niyo wala kayong information, but
No information.
wala ho bang contact with the Interpol or mga communications with them with
There
regards to that?
there is none. We have not been privy to any information.
So in terms of dun sa kaso kay Bato de la Rosa, hindi ho ba dapat ng ang process ay dadaan niya sa court muna, mayroong mga formal filing of cases? Ba't
Yes.
parang nangunguna po ang ano ngayon DILG?
This is an investigation of the PNP. So you cannot file a complaint. There have been complaints. We cannot file for information without full staff work and complete investigation. And this is part of the investigation.
Maki Pulido of GMA.
Sec, good morning. So if it's accountability that we're after,
Yes.
why not just cooperate with the ICC? Tapos, regarding that, si Senator Bato lang ba o are we investigating the other police officers involved in extrajudicial killings?
Number one, we are not a member of the ICC and we are not party to any of their investigations. Number two, there will be other investigations to follow and other subpoenas to follow regarding this. We have to put a stop.
May mga susunod pa pala na subtena.
We have to make it clear that
So baka kay
is
ano na,
no
kay
longer
Bungo.
a policy of the PNP.
And other
Make
officials.
it clear that all officers involved must be held accountable. And just to be clear, he was the tip of the spear in the EJK drive. So we will start with him and investigate down further.
So magsisimula kay Bato. Tip of the spear niya sa AJK kasi siya.
Yes, Sec. Meron ba kayong balita about Zaldico? And his
Wala.
whereabouts? Wala ba?
Francis Orlan. Crystal Robizares of IPC 13.
Okay na? Okay.
Daw yung ICC warrant. So, syempre baka mas magtago po or lumabas ng bansa. What are the steps of the government po para ma-assure na hindi siya makakalabas ng bansa si Senator Bato?
Well, we just had a command conference and all airports, seaports, points of exit in the Philippines have been alerted. All airlines
Babantayan na daw siya.
Have been informed. Of his,
Because of this
that he
subtena.
is traveling or if he does pass through a checkpoint, then
Lahat ng airports, seaports.
Okay, for the last
But again, okay, he will not be arrested. He is
Hindi siya i-arrest, kundi imbitado.
For the last question, Aaron Recuenco of Manila Bulletin.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir, one of the complaints before by the DOJ and the CHR is that may limited cooperation noon ang PNP when it comes to investigation on EJK. With your order now, does it mean na all-out review of all police operations? Kasi may mga finlag
Yes.
doon yung IAS eh.
Yes.
So, lahat sir ng operations. And second,
we cannot move forward as a country until there's a reconciliation of the truth of what happened in those years. So this is just the initial step in finding out of what really happened. It is also a strong message to the public that the Philippine National Police stands for accountability. There are no sacred cows to them. And
Walang
they are not
sagradong
protected.
baka, no sacred cows.
Many of these men behind me served under him and are close personal friends. However, it is duty above everything else. So tomorrow is a subpoena and this is the start of the process to find accountability to everything that happened in those years, in the dark years where EJK became a state policy.
Second question, sir. Does the PNP have the power to issue arrest warrant if in
It is
case
a subpoena.
Subpoena.
Let's not jump the gun.
May power yung CIDG na mag-issue ng subtena
One more question, Sec, from
under the law.
Sir Tristan.
Hi, Sec. Tristan from Newswatch. Hi, sir. Just to follow up on the ICC arrest warrant, you mentioned yesterday that there's a 10,000 parang pagpe-prepare na. Could you tell us ano pong paghahanda sakaling lumabas nga talaga yung arrest warrant kay Senator De La Rosa?
10,000 na ning inahanda.
There is a 10,000 man task force that. Okay, let me just make it clear. Okay, that was in reaction to reports that there was an impending warrant. However, the ICC has said that there is none. Okay, so we have dismantled that task force. What we do have is now a subpoena.
Dinismantle na muna pala yung 10,000.
Okay, so again, there is no credible information of a impending warrant of arrest from the ICC or the Interpol. This is a separate matter, only an investigation and a subpoena for him to appear before the CIDG.
but in the event of an arrest warrant, may issue man, sir, are we expecting a Duterte route to Duterte 2.0 scenario or medyo iba, sir?
We will cross the bridge when we get there because there is no warrant as far as we know. Okay?
Thank you very much. With that,
Yan na niya, Mr. Maravillas, ang tingin mo. Malinaw po. Ayaw niya sa international ICC kasi foreign power o di local power PNP CIDG ngayon. Iba ka may relasyon niya Mr. Maravillas ito sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte para diretso nang magtago lang si Bato. Hindi natin alam. Pero baka ayan kasi kulang pa para magko. Cayetano Blacks rumored plot to oust Tito Soto. Flounders over Bato's absence. Villar sa dilema. Si Robin Padilla inadvise na si Bato na wag lalabas. Di wag siyang lumabas. O di ba mga kababayan? So kaabang-abang ang mga susunod na mga araw mga kababayan kung ano yung mangyayari. Una sa impeachment. Pangalawa sa impeachment o sa kudita sa Senado. At itong subpena ni Bato de la Rosa. Ayan man lang po mga kababayan. Maraming salamat. Sa mga naghanap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT, Aleco Bills, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Landco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Gilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Pati mga foreigners po, tingnan ninyo. Mga British tourists sila. Ang lalaki ng katawan na, mga kababayan, nag-gym sa amin. Ito naman po, Indian National. Ito mga mga European sila. Ito naman yung bago naming product na binibenta online, iGlow Serum. Whitening po siya galing sa South Korea. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur, Riz Maravillas. For inquiries, look for Riz Maravillas on FB. Ito naman po, Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid sa mga pulses in under affected area. Mainam po sa mga pains at paninigas na mga kasukasuan. Ito po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. I am Worldwide Amazing Pure Organic Barley Powder Drink Mix from Australia. Mainam po ito sa mga cancer patients. Yan si Yuli Tan, mga kababayan, isang ovarian cancer survivor. Sabi niya, barley did not just save my life, it gave me a new life. In 2019, Yuli faced the fight for her life. Through surgery and harsh chemotherapy, I am Worldwide Amazing Pure Organic Barley became her source of strength. It boosted her immune system when she needed it most and gave her the energy to keep going. 100% organic siya, immune system booster, trusted by survivors. For your inquiries and orders, dumiretso na lang kayo sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Sa mga mahilig naman po sa mga imported bags and wallets, dumiretso na lang kayo kay Ma'am Eileen Rosales. Eileen Closet, naka-base siya mga kababayan sa Amerika. Yan yung kanyang live selling mga kababayan. Pwede kayong mag-order dyan. Every Sunday, mamaya, 7 o'clock in the evening, Philippine time.